Good day, sir, and good day, everyone. We are the Group 5 of BS7115, and we will discuss about the topic analyze their impact on vessel visibility, safety, and compliance with color. Introduction. Navigating the vast expanses of the world's ocean is an intricate dance of technology, human skill, and adherence to international regulation. At the heart of this complex interplay lies the paramount concern of vessel visibility, safety, and compliance with the COLREGs, or the international regulation for preventing collision at sea. This long introduction delves into the multifaceted impact of various factors on this crucial aspect of maritime operations. Vessel visibility stands as a first line of defense against collision and mishap at sea. Factors such as adverse weather conditions, low light environments, and obstructure views due to the other vessel or the maritime infrastructure pose significant challenges to maintaining adequate visibility.
The design and construction of vessels, including stability, maneuverability, and emergency response capabilities, directly influence their safety profiles. Human factors such as crew training, fatigue management, and situational awareness also play critical roles in ensuring safe maritime operations. Additionally, compliance with established safety protocol and regulation, including those outlined in the COLREGs, is essential for mitigation risk and preventing accident. Analyzing the impact of various factors on vessels' visibility, safety, and compliance with COLREGs involves delving into manufactured discussions that touch upon technological advancement, human factors, regulatory framework, and environmental conditions.
Technological advancements, visibility enhancements. Technologies such as a radar system, AIS, and advanced lighting system contribute significantly to improving visual visibility, especially in adverse weather conditions or low-high environments. Safety measures, advanced navigation system, collision avoidance system, and real-time monitoring tools enhance visual safety by providing early warnings or potential collision and assisting in navigation in congested waterways. Compliance tools. Technological innovations facilitate compliance with COLREGs by providing vessels with the means to accurately determine their positions, assess collisions, risks, and communicate intention to other vessels. Factors: training and awareness. Crew training programs of ongoing education initiatives play a crucial role in promoting safety and compliance with COLREGs by ensuring that crew members are knowledgeable about navigation rules and procedures. Fatigue management. Fatigue among crew members can impair judgment and reaction times, posing risk of vessel safety and compliance. Effective fatigue manage strategies and essentials for mitigating these risks. Situational awareness. Crew members' ability to maintain situational awareness, particularly in the dynamic and high-traffic environments, is vital for safe navigation and adherence of the COLREGs.
Regulatory frameworks. Colregs compliance adhere to the Colreg is mandatory for all vessels navigating international waters. Regulatory enforcement mechanisms and compliance monitoring efforts are critical for ensuring that vessels comply with these regulations. International cooperation. Collaboration among maritime stakeholders, including government, regulatory bodies, and industry associations, is essential for promoting consistent interpretation and enforcement of Colregs worldwide. 4. Environmental conditions. Visibility challenges. Adverse, adverse weather conditions such as fog, rain, or heavy seas can significantly impair vessel visibility, increasing the risk of collision and navigational errors. Navigational hazards. Environmental factors such as icebergs, reefs, and underwater obstruction pose additional challenges to vessel safety and navigation, necessitating careful route planning and risk assessment.
The discussion surrounding the impact of various factors on vessel visibility, safety, and compliance with COLREGs highlight the interconnected nature of technological, human, regulatory, and environmental influences on maritime operations. By addressing these factors comprehensively, stakeholders can work towards enhancing safety standards and promoting adherence to international regulations, ultimately ensuring safer and more efficient navigation on the world's oceans. The impact of various factors on vessel visibility, safety, and compliance with COLREGs underscores the interconnected nature of technological, human, regulatory, and environmental influences on maritime operations. By addressing these factors comprehensively and promoting collaboration among stakeholders, the maritime industry can enhance safety standards, mitigate risk, and ensure compliance with international regulations, ultimately fostering safer and more efficient navigation on the world's ocean.